Alrighty, good morning. It's Friday, May 31st. We're here at Prestige Motorsports. Thought we'd give you an update here of what's been going on. I don't think we've done one since we basically have moved the car shop, so a lot of things have changed. Kind of give you a little glimpse of everything. We're out here in shipping. Obviously, here's some stuff ready to go. As you can well see, that's pretty much a turnkey package, which we're kind of known for. Some other one's getting ready to get crated up today. FE there. Here we are in CNC land. As you can see, a lot of cylinder heads going through production. Here's a set of our new LS 275. Nice little head. One of the things with the added space we've been able to do now is go ahead and install an oven and a shaker for all our Hot Rod Series engines. We have probably over 500 or 600 blocks ready to get cleaned and go into production. Here's the shaker. Really our goal on that line of engines is really try to do a custom built Hot Rod Series engine in less than 2 weeks. Kind of get your color, valve covers, things of that nature, any kind of custom options you want to do and still be very efficient about getting it done. So that's working out good. This is the dyno line here. Got a little Borley engine there, Ford, big block Chevrolet, Ford, another Ford, turnkey, another Ford. This is one we just pulled off. It's a Edelbrock form there, EFI we had issues with. So I think the customer is going to change to Holly. Yeah, these are obviously engines that are getting ready to go into assembly. And these are more that are getting ready to go in assembly. Obviously these are all Ford. So, kind of want to point out, this is a LS. This is going to be a Whipple charged. This here is a Gen 3 Hemi. This is a Gen 2 Hemi, early model, 572. This is another Hemi, 572. Another Hemi, 572. Another Hemi. This one here we had up on the dyno. It's a blower. The blower kind of made more noise than we really thought it should, so we sent it back to BDS. They did some tune-up on it. Very great company to deal with. So as you can see, we just don't do Fords. We're going to take you into assembly there and show you some things. Here we are in assembly today. This is LS. And here's some unique builds. Obviously, we like to do some what we call pre-mock-up. This is really going to be a neat deal. It's going on Lola. Obviously, you can see it's got Kinzer fuel injection. It's all aluminum, 582 big block. Really excited about this build. It's going to be fun. So stay tuned for that. So here's a big block Chevrolet. Obviously, BDS blower, mocking it up. As you can see, we're going to have to do some work on the manifold. The bridge seals are going to need some work, so that's what mock-up's about. Same with this. This is a stack injected. Obviously, we're going to have to do some work back here to get the distributor clear and things of that nature. So nothing is always what you think it is. So that being said, like I said, there's a lot of different variety here at Prestige that we do, not just Fords. If you have a unique build, just give us a call and we'll take care of you. Like I said earlier, our hot rod line is really an engine that we try to move along fairly rapidly. We do keep some in stock, but we still try to strive for a 2-week turnaround if we can for you. And have a great day.